मैं इससे भयावह स्थिति नहीं हो सकती कि हम बिलीव नहीं कर रहे कि हम भारत की कैपिटल में रहते हैं। जिसका मरता उससे पूछो। बट आदमी ऐसे मर रहा है जैसे जानवर होता है, और आपके सामने डेड बॉडीज पड़ी हैं और कोई जलाने वाला नहीं। 4-4, 5-5 घंटे बाद लोग वेटिंग कर रहे हैं, और डेड बॉडी जलाने के लिए, उठाने के लिए, हॉस्पिटल के लिए हर जगह आदमी परेशान है।
Nothing is being done. I don't know government is sleeping or what they are doing. I am totally disheartened in the situation which I am seeing. Government is a literal failure. A person cannot live here in Delhi. A person cannot even die peacefully in Delhi.
Ma'am, we have been spending sleepless nights since last 1 week. I mean, at times we feel like crying because we are not able to help patient properly.
Every crematorium we've been to, we've seen body after body being brought in. It's hard for anyone to keep count, but what workers have been telling me is that the real scale of deaths caused by COVID-19 in India is a lot higher than what official numbers reflect. And a lot of those who've died right now have done so because they couldn't get oxygen in time.